Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to show you a really easy recipe for homemade muesli. Once you buy the ingredients, it takes 2 seconds to make every morning. So enjoy this video. If you do like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And do hit the notification bell icon to remind you of when the new videos come out. So here I have some porridge oats. Right, so I'm just going to put 1 good sized teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. And all I've done is I've taken the things out of the packet and put them in a container. And then I've just labelled them. And then you just store these in your cupboard and this will last for ages. Right, 1 teaspoon of raisins. Actually maybe 2 teaspoons of raisins. 2 teaspoons of sunflower seeds. Now I've got dried bananas here. You can have whatever dried fruit you like. So I love my dried bananas. So I'm going to have 2 spoonfuls, roughly about 10 or 12 dried bananas, or whatever other fruit you want to put in there. I've got 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I've got 1 heaped teaspoon of pine nuts. You can choose whatever nuts you like, but I've got a good variety of different ones because I love nuts and they're so good for you. Now this one is almond flakes. You can crush them up or you can keep them whole. You can get toasted ones. The Brazil nuts are quite large, so I've just chopped some up here. So I've got a teaspoon of chopped Brazil nuts. So 1 tablespoon of coconut, either designated coconut or coconut flakes like I have here. I just love the flakes. Now I've just got half a dozen cashew nuts. I'm just taking them out the packet. You just buy everything in packets like this. Once you've bought them, they last you so long. So I'll just chop these up. Now I'm not at home, so I haven't got my usual knife. But it doesn't matter what knife you use. Whatever one you're comfortable with. It doesn't have to be really tiny. Just chop them up into slightly smaller chunks. And here I have some almonds. So again, just take a few out. You don't need many. But you can always chop these beforehand and put them in your tub. And it's a case of just taking them out. Then you do this chopping action to cut them up a little bit smaller. So again, about a teaspoon of that. And you just mix it all around. And as I said, you can put dried fruit in, like dried apricot, dried apple, whatever you like. So here's my lovely delicious muesli. Really nice. You can make this, put it in a container and just bring it out as and when you want to have some. I just want to say a big thank you to my mum and dad for letting me do this video at their house. I'm visiting them in England and I'm going to come again and visit them in 2 weeks' time. And so my mum has this lovely recipe for a delicious homemade soup that she does. So I'm going to film it and I'll share that with you in a few weeks' time. Thanks for watching and supporting.